if you have missed the last build quality video about the OnePlus 11R or the IP68 liquid disaster of the flagship Xiaomi 13 Pro, press the I button on the right or the links inside the description. It should be interesting to test the liquid resistance of the OnePlus 11R since OnePlus hasn't applied for an IP certificate for the 11R despite it being of flagship quality. The OnePlus 11 5G at least had an IP64 rating, which anyways in itself isn't that great compared to other flagships with IP68 or even IP67. It's another matter and a first time that the Xiaomi 13 Pro, a true flagship in every sense, was the first flagship with IP68 rating to fail a IP test with a completely dead set and the highest repair charges unless you have bought insurance. At this initial stage, the 11R is doing great without official IP rating, though it does have a red rubber seal like the 11 5G and missing on the 13 Pro. No issues of oleophobic coating as expected, and also, most importantly, the audio is unaffected so far. Low audio distortion can be an indicator of initial liquid damage, hence we are already at the light splashing round. Now, the light splashing round cannot be underestimated simply because it's light, since some devices have also suffered permanent damage just by light liquid splashing. Anyways, the presence of the red seal definitely gives a sense of relief and confidence, even though it has no official IP rating like IP54 or 53, which is found even on Xiaomi mid-ranges, doing a great job. It's totally a different matter and a first time that the highest flagship of Xiaomi, the 13 Pro, failed even with IP68 rating. And what surprised us most was the absence of a sealant on the SIM. We are hoping that the popular OnePlus 11R survives all stages of liquid reviews and doesn't suffer even from minor issues such as camera fogging, frozen black screens, headphone icon issues or such. A good sign that audio recovers instantly, no physical signs of headphone icon issue, camera fogging or any other serious liquid damages. Our guess is that the 11R is secretly IP53 in order to cut production cost.